We hear the same frustrations again and again. Everyone in the organization is capturing data in their own way, resulting in missing, incomplete, duplicated, and inaccurate information. Different departments are using different systems, and the data in each can't talk to each other. These problems are standing in the way, causing false starts, second-guessing, and risk with our goals around digital transformation, enterprise analytics, AI, machine learning, and more. But what if you had a quick and easy way to clean up disparate and poor quality data and keep it clean? What if you could easily break down data silos by plugging seamlessly into all of the systems and sources you already use? Profisee is how enterprises can finally solve the data quality issues that have been holding back so many strategic initiatives. Only Profisee's cloud-native master data management solution brings a make it easy, make it accurate, and make it scale approach to building a complete, consistent, and unified view of your data. Profisee. Now you can make it happen.